army over there, there's militancy over there, there is emotions are very high. The biggest problem I fear in Kashmir is identity. Secondly, I think is that the army needs to be reduced. Third is I think you need to have trust, a sense of trust built between the two communities. Kashmir, which some students described as a beautiful prison, the prison should go out. It should be a beautiful place.
I think this is a film for everyone. It's reality that is happening in our country, and people should know that.
It's a hardcore commercial film with great music, good action, but it has a good storyline, and it's a political thriller.
It's based on true stories. So it is very different in that form, and it's something which you've not seen before, that's for sure.
इस्लाम के नाम पर, पंडितों के नाम पर, कश्मीरियत के नाम पर, आज़ादी के नाम पर सभी शामिल हैं, सभी शामिल हैं।
Welcome to Kashmir, the most dangerous place in the world.
And the most beautiful, sir.
कुछ भी नहीं
मैं वो करने वाला हूँ जो कश्मीर में सालों से नहीं हुआ।
तुम बेहद खूबसूरत हो।
खूबसूरत सिर्फ चेहरा है, अंदर झांक कर देखोगे तो चल जाओगे।
हम ये फर्जी इलेक्शन नहीं चाहते। हम क्या चाहते हैं?
सलाम जिंदगी, सलाम जिंदगी, सलाम जिंदगी, सलाम जिंदगी।
ऐश्वर्या राय को चांद दिखा या नहीं दिखा, ये ब्रेकिंग न्यूज है। लेकिन यहाँ सालों से कितनी औरतों ने अपने मर्दों को नहीं देखा? आपका मीडिया ये बात हिंदुस्तान के लोगों को क्यों नहीं बताता?
हिंदुस्तान की कौन सी जेल में बंद रखा आपने?
पॉलिटिशियंस को कोई अरेस्ट करता नहीं, अरेस्ट होते हैं तो मासूम कश्मीरी।
ये कश्मीर है जनाब, यहाँ सियासत कभी कोई नहीं छोड़ता।
We won the battle, sir. But the war has just begun.
It tells you the story of the people of Kashmir. I mean, it's their story. For so many years they live, as I said, between terrorism and the security forces. It's about them. I mean, they want peace in Kashmir. I've seen it while shooting there. When people were happy that shooting वहाँ हो रही है, they felt that things. For 40 days हम लोग वहाँ थे, तो लोग बाहर निकल रहे थे, शूटिंग आके देख रहे थे, वो वाचिंग शूटिंग, इट वाज नाइस फॉर देम, सो दे वांट पीस आल्सो।
पॉलिटिशियंस को कोई अरेस्ट करता नहीं, अरेस्ट होते हैं तो मासूम कश्मीरी।
It's talking about a lot of realities. It's talking about various issues which are based with real life people in day-to-day lives, which you've not seen before. You've not seen half videos before. We are not taking sides, but at the same time, we are not mincing any words in saying what we have to say.
मैं वो करने जा रहा हूँ जो कश्मीर में सालों से नहीं हुआ।
तुम जानते हो इसका नतीजा क्या हो सकता है?
मकसद वही है, आज़ादी। जब भी कहीं भी कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, वहाँ के जो लोग हैं वो कितना सफ़र करते हैं और उनके साथ क्या बीतती है। That is the crux of the story, but it's also about Sanju sir's character, जो 18 साल बाद उन्हें कश्मीर में एक मिशन के लिए भेजा जाता है, क्योंकि कश्मीर में कुछ बहुत बड़ा होने वाला है।
यहाँ कुछ बड़ा होने वाला है, 89 से भी बड़ा।
Story of Lamha is definitely deals with the Kashmiri people's sentiments and what they feel, and it is a real issue. It is what actually a Kashmiri living in Kashmir feels. The treatment, if you ask me, is very, very international and very, very new age. It's shot really amazingly. The shot taking is gorgeous, and this is a thriller. Basically, it's a very fast and pacey thriller. But at the end of the day, the message is very dramatic.
कश्मीर बिल्कुल नहीं बदला, आज भी जन्नत है।
It's an incredible amalgamation of facts. So it's backed by about 2 years of research, meeting people from the mountains to down to the streets, to the army, to the common man, to everyone. A plot which makes it entertaining at the same time realistic.
I think this is a film for everyone. It's reality that is happening in our country, and people should know that.
It's a hardcore commercial film with great music, good action, but it has a good storyline, and it's a political thriller.
It's based on true stories. So it is very different in that form, and it's something which you've not seen before, that's for sure.
इस्लाम के नाम पर, पंडितों के नाम पर, कश्मीरियत के नाम पर, आज़ादी के नाम पर सभी शामिल हैं, सभी शामिल हैं।
Welcome to Kashmir, the most dangerous place in the world.
And the most beautiful, sir.
मैं वो करने वाला हूँ जो कश्मीर में सालों से नहीं हुआ।
तुम बेहद खूबसूरत हो।
खूबसूरत सिर्फ चेहरा है, अंदर झांक कर देखोगे तो चल जाओगे।
हम ये फर्जी इलेक्शन नहीं चाहते। हम क्या चाहते हैं? सलाम जिंदगी, सलाम जिंदगी, सलाम जिंदगी, सलाम जिंदगी। ऐश्वर्या राय को चांद दिखा या नहीं दिखा, ये ब्रेकिंग न्यूज है। लेकिन यहाँ सालों से कितनी औरतों ने अपने मर्दों को नहीं देखा। आपका मीडिया ये बात हिंदुस्तान के लोगों को क्यों नहीं बताता?
हिंदुस्तान की कौन सी जेल में बंद रखा आपने?
पॉलिटिशियंस को कोई अरेस्ट करता नहीं, अरेस्ट होते हैं तो मासूम कश्मीरी।
ये कश्मीर है जनाब, यहाँ सियासत कभी कोई नहीं छोड़ता।
We won the battle, sir. But the war has just begun.
I'm a military intelligence officer who is recalled into the valley because there's a conspiracy there. And he has to find out what it is and he has to solve the problem. And to do that, he has to intermingle with the people of Kashmir. And while doing that, he realizes and he sees what the people of Kashmir go through between terrorism and between the security forces.
18 साल में कुछ नहीं बदला. वही नफरत, वही आग. God made heaven, man created hell. This is the story of Kashmir.
But Sanju sir is great fun. I mean, he's a rock star. I think कोई ऐसा नहीं होगा जो जिसने has not gone through a Sanju sir phase. सब young होते हैं, सबको लगता है कि मेरे बाल वैसे हों, मैं वैसे चलूँ, वैसे बात करूँ. तो मेरे साथ भी हो चुका है. And it was a pleasure working with him. He's very easy, very comfortable, and he's very entertaining because he has lots of stories to tell.
Sanju is definitely God gifted. He has done such fabulous roles over the years, and I have worked with him in All the Best, where he played, a funny role so well, and now he's doing serious cinema in Lamha, and it's great to see the transformation of actors.
Bipasha Basu plays a young revolutionary girl who has a very strong opinion about Kashmir and Kashmiriyat.
नहीं मुल्क में इज्जत से जीने के लिए और हमें कितना लड़ना पड़ेगा. कभी-कभी लगता है आजादी का ख्वाब सिर्फ ख्वाब ही रह जाएगा.
I play a girl called Aziza. Aziza is very different from the quintessential girl that you show in Kashmir. She's a party leader. She works for a party day and night. She works with men. Though she wears a salwar kurta and PT shoes, she walks like a man. She can do hand-to-hand combat. She's a girl who believes that she wants to get peace for the people in the valley. And for that, she believes in a certain ideology. But as the film progresses, she realized that what she believed in and she was manipulated in believing in is wrong, and she transforms.
Along the way, she transforms into something else with a different ideology and a much more positive and a powerful being.
I have not done any research for this role. The only thing that I've followed is my director's guidelines. Whether it's about the look of Aziza, whether it's the way she's supposed to behave or anything.
पहली बार उनके साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, but I've known her before that. There was already a comfort level. और मेरा मानना है कि this is Bipasha's best performance by far.
तुम्हारी आंखों में इतना गुस्सा क्यों है?
ये हर कश्मीरी को विरासत में मिलता है.
तुम बेहद खूबसूरत हो.
खूबसूरत सिर्फ चेहरा है. अंदर झांक कर देखोगे तो जल जाओगे.
This is a very challenging role for Bipasha. Without any makeup, she's playing a Kashmiri girl. She's in a burqa. And it's a performance-based film, so I mean, she's got a lot of scenes where she has to perform. And she's done a fantastic job, I think.
I have done realistic films, and this is one of them. Reason why I chose it is because of the script, is because of the director. He's made a beautiful film, Barzania, before this. The part of Aziza is very difficult and very challenging for me. Firstly, I am a Bengali girl. I'm being cast as a Kashmiri girl. So for me also, it took me a while to convince myself that, will I pull it off properly?
I'm playing a character called Atif. Atif जो है is a young Kashmiri politician. He's been a terrorist. He was sent to a terrorism camp very young in life. And he comes back but realizes that violence is not the answer and peace really is the answer. But he's got a lot of madness, he's got a lot of passion. Normally जो है वो बहुत in control है, लेकिन when he has to give speeches or when he has to talk about the politics of Kashmir, there's a lot of passion and there's a lot of madness in him.
कहने को तो हम जन्नत में रहते हैं, लेकिन सच बात यह है कि 18 सालों से हम एक खूबसूरत जेल में रह रहे हैं। हम क्या चाहते हैं?
I read up a lot about the politics of Kashmir and I also watched a lot of stuff about Kashmir, a lot about the politicians of Kashmir, because I felt like it was very important for me to understand what was going on there before I could portray it. Also the challenge of shooting in Kashmir. It's not the easiest place to shoot in.
Kunal is a very promising actor. He's a very intense actor, and I really enjoyed working with Kunal.
We have a lot of fun together, and he's a tremendous actor. He's a kind of method actor. He likes to do all his research, and he believes in asking many questions before he attacks the scene. That's a different school of acting, and it was really nice to work with him.
बहुत रेयरली ऐसा होता है कि आपको एक ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट मिले जो आपको एंटरटेनिंग लगे, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम आपको लगे कि यार ये स्क्रिप्ट कुछ कह रही है, एक नया नज़रिया पेश करने की कोशिश कर रही है। मैंने जब स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी वो स्क्रिप्ट मेरे साथ रही। दूसरी बात यह है जब भी कश्मीर पर एक पिक्चर बनती है वो बहुत जिंगोइस्टिक हो जाती है, नेशनलिस्टिक हो जाती है। हमने कोशिश की है कि हम सबके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज़ पेश करें।
Rahul is a very intense director and he does a lot of his homework before he goes onto set. And I've really enjoyed working with him. He has his beliefs, his conviction. He went and stayed in the valley for 6 months. He interviewed a lot of people and he makes a film on that. और अगर वो picture शुरू करता है तो his heart, his mind, everything is that movie.
राहुल ढोलकिया थोड़ा पागल हैं, वो उसकी सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ है, बिकॉज ही इज़ मैडली पैशनेट अबाउट व्हाट ही वांट्स टू डू। एंड जो राहुल ढोलकिया की मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात लगती है वो ये है कि वो सबको खुश करने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे। वो कहते हैं कि ये मेरा नज़रिया है और मैं ये पेश करूँगा, कई लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा, कई लोगों को बुरा लगेगा, लेकिन मैं अपना नज़रिया पेश करूँगा। And that I think is very refreshing.
The kind of sincere research that he does on his films and his fearlessness. I think, he's a fearless director. He wants to make things the way it is, So I like that. There's no hypocrisy in him. And that's why, you will get like real cinema when you see Lamha.
I wanted to shoot in downtown Kashmir. I wanted to shoot in Jama Masjid. I wanted to shoot in Habba Qadal, Safa Qadal. These are all the so-called trouble spots. I wanted to shoot in Makhdoom Saab, Dargah, which is right on top. We've shot there. There was a time when I've sat with a militant across who's killed about 300 people and been in 16 years of jail, and both of us were sitting together, AK-47 on the side, and he's telling me that after a long interview, he's asking me, "Aap Hindustan वापस कब जा रहे हो?" Now, for me, it's like if I say something, then he'll shoot me. So I had to tell him that, look him straight in his eyes and say that, आपके लिए शायद ये हिंदुस्तान नहीं है, लेकिन ये मेरे लिए हिंदुस्तान है. There was a silence, that lamha between life and death, where he could have just picked up the gun and shot me. And I said, and then he looks at me straight in the eye, and then he hugs me and he says, "Now, abhi khana kha ke jaiye." And I'm like, "No, thank you very much. I got to go."
I think this is a film for everyone. It's reality that is happening in our country, and people should know that.
It's a hardcore commercial film with great music, good action, but it has a good storyline, and it's a political thriller.
It's based on true stories. So it is very different in that form, and it's something which you've not seen before, that's for sure. Mithun has done a marvelous job, so has Saeed Qadri Saab, the lyricist, because he's got so much depth into it.
ऐसे 2-3 गाने हैं जो मैं तो बहुत महीनों से सुन रहा हूँ एंड आई स्टिल हैवंट स्टॉप्ड. सूफी टच है, जो लिरिक्स हैं. आजकल क्या होता है, बहुत गाने बनते हैं लेकिन उनके लिरिक्स आपको याद नहीं रहते या टच नहीं करते. ये पिक्चर के लिरिक्स बहुत अच्छे हैं.
The music of Lamha is fantastic. I think Mithun has done a fabulous job. It is melodious. It echoes the sentiments of the Kashmiris. It's as beautiful as the valley. It's really gorgeous.
I mean, she'll come close.
Action!
सच में पिक्चर का म्यूज़िक बहुत अच्छा है. मिथुन जो हैं बहुत टैलेंटेड म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर हैं. बहुत कम काम करते हैं लेकिन अच्छा काम करते हैं.
Action!
Right from the song, Madano and Sajana are my favorite.
पर मैं तुझे ना पा सकूं, मैं हूँ शब तू सुबह, दोनों जुड़ के जुदा. मदनो माशुको दिलबरो, मदनो रे
According to me, Mithun, he is a very, very talented music director. I mean, it was my choice that I told Bunty Walia that you should take Mithun, and I love that boy because he does one film at a time. If he believes in the film, he does it. ये वो उसके ऐसी चीज़ें हैं मिठुन में. And the music in this film is just amazing. It is so much with the film. The lyrics are fantastic.
Salaam Zindagi is a beautiful song which celebrates life, and it is picturized with very, little Kashmiri children and Sanju. It's really beautiful.
जिस चीज को पाने की थी उम्मीद खो चुकी, उस चीज को पाकर बहुत दिल को खुशी हुई. सलाम जिंदगी सलाम जिंदगी सलाम जिंदगी सलाम जिंदगी.
Song which is, I think, my favorite and which actually symbolizes the valley and the people perfectly is called Main Kaun Hu.
Main Kaun Hu, which actually shows that how lost is the normal Kashmiri. The lyrics are beautiful.
My favorite right now is Main Kaun Hu.